Today we got some more new Adventure Force guns. This time we got the Adventure Force Havoc pump action power clip blaster. So let's show you the back. So you pull it from here, okay? You pull it back in front and then you shoot. And it comes with two batteries.
Pull it.
Yeah. So without further ado, let's get opening.
So it's down, so you can't do anything. Pull this up.
So let me get the bullets. So we've got the bullets in now.
Sit down.
So let's load it. So I'll show you guys how this gun works. So you pull it back, load it, then you shoot. Today we got these new Adventure Force pistol guns. So they're called Exact Strike. They come with eight pieces. They come with 5 exact bullets and 2 long range and a gun. So today we're gonna be unboxing these guns. This is the back. Okay, and let me show you the gun once more. So now let's get unboxing. So you load it from the top here, and it automatically goes forward, and you just shoot. It loads 2 bullets. Here's 2, and here's 2. So we got 2 bullets. Okay, so we got these red bullets here. You can put these in here. So I'll shoot one, and Ursman will shoot. Okay? Ready? So pull it back, let go, and then we'll shoot. Whoa! These go really far, and it shoots with kind of power.
Yeah.
So it shoots the top one first, then the bottom one. So yeah, they go very far. So thank you guys for watching this video.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Please like this video, and please watch this other videos. Bye.